All right, welcome aboard this 2023 Sea Ray 260 SLX. So I'm standing here on the back platform. We've got some nice seating right here in the back. We've got the swim platform here, the submersible swim platform that goes down into the water. Right back over here is some storage. This is also where your battery switches are. And there also is a pump in this boat as well. We've got the nice power tower on this boat. It does have an extra sun shade that does pop out manually. And as we step onto the boat, we got some storage there. You've got seating all the way around. It does come with a table as well that can be put right in this area right here. We've got captain's chairs on both sides. We do have a pump out head in this boat, nice and deep. Got a little sink in there as well. Up at the helm, we've got the bolster seat. We've got the 6.2 350 in this with the Merc and the digital throttle. We've got twin Simrad touch screens here. This boat only has 47 hours on it. Beautiful looking helm. And then a nice big bow here on the 260. Storage underneath that seat right there that pops up. Nice storage up here in the front and a place for water to come out as well. We've got the cockpit back here again. Again, 2023 Sea Ray 260 SLX here at our Rogers location. Give us a call or stop on by to come take a look.